Okay. Over here we see these stir-fry greens, and they're pretty clean. They were living well above the soil line, so you can see there's not much dirt on them. So all I'm going to do to prep these for the wok is take off these stems. These are sweet, and if I didn't have a bunny, I'd probably eat them myself. But the bunny will make good use of the stem matter while we can enjoy the incredibly luscious leaves. Now, this isn't for everybody. There are people who wouldn't tolerate this kind of a cleaning method. But again, in an organic system, I'm not really worried if there's a microscopic particle of dirt on my stir-fry greens. Probably give me a little extra nutrition anyway. You can see we have a beautiful mixture here of kale, arugula, semposai, collards, Swiss chard. That'll make a lovely snack.